My name is Justin. I'm a marketing freelancer in the church and nonprofit industry, and I give Sunrise by Lindio 5 stars. I chose Sunrise as my first accounting software, but I did take a look at QuickBooks Online, FreshBooks, and a few other niche marketing, or excuse me, accounting softwares, but none of them really kind of spoke to the ease of use that I was looking for when I just started working for myself. I chose Sunrise because I needed something that was easy to understand. QuickBooks is kind of daunting to me. FreshBooks was a little bit better, but I needed something that used layman terms. I'm a freelancer, I'm figuring this out as I go, and I needed a software that spoke in the same language that I did without being super confusing. Also, Sunrise, when I joined on, it was called Billy. But I like going with the underdog, and Billy was brand new to the market, and they seemed hungry as an organization to build up a platform for people like me. They made it easy, they had integrations, and quite honestly, they listened to my feedback. And so when I saw that they were available as an option, I went ahead and took the step. The other thing that I liked about them is they're affordable and scalable. With QuickBooks, you kind of already have to have an organization. With FreshBooks, they can scale, but Billy seemed to meet that intersection where I knew I could start it by myself, but as I grew, I could start bringing in team members. I could start adding features, more advanced things when it came to my invoices and bookkeeping. And just as they grew as the underdog, they kind of grew and just sold me on how willing they were to be great at customer service and actually help me with my business and my accounting needs. When it came to integrating Sunrise into my business, it was really simple. I just started by setting up some of my business information, putting in how I wanted to manage it, cash flow or whatever the other one is. I don't know. I use cash flow. But I had some options to choose from, and I got to really start minimal viable. I didn't need a lot. I really just needed invoicing and basic bookkeeping. And as my business grew, I got to added more advanced budgeting and tax information and scheduling, and it just really kind of grew with me. So I needed a simple solution. Or excuse me, Sunrise was there for me. And then as I grow, they are still there for me. And if I ever need anything, I can shoot them a message and they're really quick to respond with how I can do what I need to do when it comes to keeping up the books for my company. If you're looking for a bookkeeping software and Sunrise is on your radar, I think you absolutely need to try it. They do have a free plan that's real basic. You can get in there, start playing around with some stuff. And if you really like it, you can continue with the free plan and use it for basic invoicing and bookkeeping if you're working by yourself. As you expand with your team, you can just simply expand your account. But the way I see it is there's not a whole lot to lose because you can go with the free account. You also, as they go along building their organization, they're adding more features. So you need less other stuff. So instead of finding a merchant account and your accounting and invoicing software, Sunrise does pretty much all of that. And it didn't start that way. They're constantly building. So if you're looking for a platform that does advanced stuff, Sunrise may or may not do that. But if you're just starting out and you want an organization, a software that will grow with your company, Sunrise absolutely, I think, fits that job.